of the uses of prime factorization is that we can use it to find the highest common factor of numbers. Here we have to find the HCF of 225 and 750. So step 1 is to first find the prime factorizations of 225 and 750. So maybe you'd like to stop the video and first find the prime factorizations of 225 and 750. Okay? If you have done it correctly, 225 as a product of prime factors is 3 squared times 5 squared. 750 is 2 times 3 times 5 to the power of 3. Okay? So now that we have found the prime factorizations of 225 and 750, we will have to use them to find the HCF of the two numbers. What we do is we go and look at the same prime in both prime factorizations. What do I mean? The prime 3 appears in both prime factorizations. The prime 5 appears in both prime factorizations. And there's also the prime number 2. Okay? So, what you do is, for each prime that appears in both prime factorizations, you always pick the one that has the smaller power. So, between 3 to the power of 2 and 3, which one is the smaller power? It is 3. 3 is 3 to the power of 1. It is a smaller power if we compare the primes 3. We then look at the prime number 5 and how it looks like in both prime factorizations. For the prime 5, it is 5 to the power of 2 that is the smaller power. Now, we pick the smaller powers and they will give us the highest common factor of the two numbers. Okay? So, 3 times 5 squared is 3 times 25. The HCF of 225 and 750 is 75. Remember? Okay, the method is to pick the smaller power. You notice that for the prime 2, since it only appears in one of the prime factorizations, we ignore it and do not even consider it. Okay? For HCF, remember we want to be stingy. We always pick the smaller power, and if it only appears once, we ignore it.